is now the icon of a religion which has nearly 2 billion converts. Even amongst people who don't worship him, his face is one of the most recognizable in the world. But are we sure in our view of what he looked like? One would expect the Gospels to provide clues. But surprisingly, for a set of 4 biographies, the Gospels don't say a word about Jesus' face. So it's pretty strange that so many people think they know what Jesus looked like. In this Jerusalem bazaar, tourists can choose portraits of Jesus as souvenirs. In an upstairs room, this bazaar holds literally hundreds more portraits of Jesus. But unlike most images of Jesus, these are thought to be amongst the most authentic. They're known as icons, a word that means faithful portraits of Jesus. The first icons were painted in the 5th century. That's 400 years after Jesus died. There's a legend that the Gospel writer Luke painted a portrait of Jesus which inspired all the others, but it's just a legend. Now there may be a better way of finding out what Jesus looked like. The icons were not painted in Israel, but in the Eastern Mediterranean, in countries like Greece and Turkey. They don't reflect the faces typical in ancient Israel.